You don't know it's your girl Posh Morris. I'm represent for Dancehall Skilla.
Wagwan my people, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright now my people, enough time me hear people who leave from them country go work in other countries out there complain about the treatment that they get while working overseas or a foreign. Now I have an audio that I'm going to present to you my viewers and subscribers, and I'm asking each and every one of you my viewers and subscribers to share this audio as much as possible to help bring an awareness, because at full time certain things stop. Dancehall Skilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard. Now I want you listen carefully and tell me what you think also. Listen.
Trust me, right now me attack me very emotional. Dancehall Skilla, may I beg you please blast that one up on your YouTube channel, any other platform. Cause I want to tell you say 10 away there in the New York, 10 away as Jamaican, leave, come up on we visa. A bread we are hunt. You understand me I say? We are work on a vegetable farm owned by two white boy, father and son. One named Dominic Sorbello. Dancehall Skilla, I'm gonna make you get all him father and son video. Son and him wife, cause everybody is a part of this atrocity where them bring down upon we. Dancehall Skilla 10 away, you know, I work on a vegetable farm, you know. And you believe me say for the first week the things start good. But we get to pay the first week and the second week. You see from the third week come right down man up to today day man. No money no man. I be a persuasive word this a boy I use, you know. And I tell we say we must give him a little time because he might get money from the bank. Believe me man, me I tell you say this thing a pain me heart for know say we're unable to meet with obligation, you know. Send back a money a yard for send we youth them go to school, you know. Can you imagine a September morning the youth them a go to school tacky. Them can't go to school as how them should because we kids them a look to it. And me I tell you say people want to understand this thing, you know, when you come to America, you know. And try to have certain things, you know. White people style we, you know man, them boy, you know man. Frank Sorbello, Dominic Sorbello, you know man, full of equipment and all of these things. I'm going to know sir, years this boy a style black people, you know, a style we, you know. You understand what I say? No money, you know, thousands of dollars, you know man. Me I tell you about me is a victim, you know man. 4,000 of this boy you owe me, you know man, and me end have to quit. And you believe me say others him owe 5,000, 6,000 up to $9,000, you know man. I want Jamaican to understand, and everybody ever come tell me say this is the reality, you know. For some reason or the other, you know, some people full of pride, you know, so them rather go and take them beat, you know, but me I tell you say people have to understand what go on. Some style, you know, reach in America, yeah man, some white boy man, we just take people for fool. And me I tell you say if a Jamaica this, if a Jamaica a long time then the boy there in a danger man, me I tell you man. We can have people at work and labor law them boy they breach, you know man. Labor law, you know man. You see when the sun, the temperature of the sun reach 90 and 95 degrees, no, nobody enough in the field of work, you know. Nobody enough in the field of work. And them boy they under shelter. I encourage you, I tell you, say, forget the field planted out so that him can reap at a certain time, you know. I would just go through, you know, sometimes the pressure take we, you know, man, and I would just build our vibes, you know, and just go on through, you know. Some Fridays come, him disappear, you know, man, no money, you know, man. Up to last week or 2 weeks ago, you know, some of the youth, about 3 youth, them reach back at Jamaica by now. Go to him and I said to him, say, give me even half of the money, no man. They give even half of the amount where you owe me so me can go home. And all him I tell them, say, him father, he's gonna borrow the money from his father. However, he's gonna get in touch with the bank to see if the money disbursed. No one say nothing no go say no people. Nothing no go say no. You can imagine nothing no go so. Thing the painful bad man. Painful bad man. I have to take it time out. To wise up my fellow Jamaican them when I come here. Either on a mentally tough or on a stay around there. Because I might just come here and kill people through them style and take on for fool. I tell you man, this thing a pain me, this thing a have to go viral for people. Understand. When your old landlord are foreign, you know, it's out you go, you know. And I like Jamaica when your old landlord, the courthouse a give you time, you know. Out, you go instant. And this white boy I know all of the things them, but to a boy no say you not have certain papers and certain things. And them style in a retreat. This have to go out, man. Have to go out.
Now, my people, I am about to say some things to you, but I want you to please bear in mind that some of the things that I am about to say are based on things that the person said in the audio that I just presented to you, and based on pictures that have been sent to me, Dancehall Skilla. The same person we can hear in the audio also sent me pictures and bring to my awareness about at least one social media page that shows the persons who the person talk about. And when I look on the social media page, viewers and subscribers, and see the kind of life for them I live, a good life. A good life. Now, because of certain legal reasons, I cannot present any of those pictures that the person show me of those persons who the person that talk about. And the person also said other things I don't even want to disclose because it can cause problem for other people. But listen this. May I make a suggestion? You see, just like how you have police who work undercover to catch criminals who involve in drug activities and all kind of bad things, I think that each and every government for every countries out there worldwide who have people who are left from those countries to go to other countries to work for people should make some people work undercover and go in other countries, go work for those people with some special type of cameras and other type of ways to get a certain evidence on people who are hire people from other countries and I treat them bad. So you can take all of them evidence there, or evidences, and bring them to the court. Some of the boss, them are employers with the overseas. Hire some people who them know say have no work permit, all because some of them see the opportunity if you can use them and lead them certain ways. And them know say them things they wrong, but what them do it because they see the opportunity if you can use them. All because of what? If you gain more riches, money. Them things they wrong. Them things are not for happen. I respect this person who reach out to me. I wish the best for this person. I hope that this person will find a way to overcome the whole of the bad vibes. But people, let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen pieces of videos on social media that shows a man who had been shot by the police and within the country of Jamaica, and that person died. So I got the understanding that the man was fatally shot during a tussle between him and the police officers in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica on the 23rd of October, the year 2022. So I got the understanding that the man was resisting arrest and that the man attempted to take one of the police officers' them gun. It is said that police said that the man tried to disarm a police and the police fired shots that hit that man. He was taken to hospital and he was pronounced dead. Now, all of those pieces of videos that I saw, viewers and subscribers, might have been from one video, you know, saying, but in at least one of those pieces of videos that I saw, me hear more than one person's say some things for try tell the youth for calm down or to try to get him to calm down, but him not take no talk. The youth that died said some things in a part of a video that gave me the understanding that he basically said that them have to go kill him.
Big man, stop resisting! Stop resisting!
I also got information that the man allegedly have been implicated in murders and shooting incidents. It is said that the man who died is in his 20s, and it is said that the police went to a community in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, because the man was involved in some form of dispute between him and a person. See, and I think it was some form of a heated dispute or confrontation that was going on. I also got unconfirmed information about an illegal firearm, viewers and subscribers, but I don't really want to say that the information there because the information is confirmed based from where me get the information from. You understand? And I got the understanding that some people I try to get an understanding, and also I try to connect the incident to another video that is circulating certain places on social media that shows a youth holding what is believed to be a gun. I also got information that Indicom might probe the incident. So I said to myself, Indicom, alright. Some people, for those who might have seen those videos and who have a good understanding about the whole situation, well, me I tell you, based on information I get. Anyways, I so me I left it now, my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.